Check this out, someone waxed this ledge right on the edge of a cliffside. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am in Stanley Park, which, believe it or not, is a rainforest. And if you guys don't know what Stanley Park is, it's actually a park that's attached to Vancouver. So it's right next to downtown. It's a big park. It's about a fifth bigger than Central Park in New York City, for reference. But yeah, it is actually a rainforest. So I'm gonna skate around, bike around, and see if we can find any skate spots. It's probably unlikely that there are skatable spots, but I'm gonna look anyway. All right, guys, follow along. Well, so far there hasn't really been that many spots. I did a full tour around Stanley Park along the bike path, which we call the seawall, and I've only really found curbs to like do manuals on, or this little curb that I was just skating when I was trying tricks on and off. But I'm still feeling optimistic, so I'm gonna continue my search and find more spots. Follow along, guys. Well, that sounded like a fun video idea, to go skate in Stanley Park, also known as a rainforest, but unfortunately I couldn't find any good spots to skate. I did a full lap and I actually ended up going back into the park to look for more spots, but couldn't find anything. So I've arrived here at a famous skate spot called Vancouver Art Gallery. There's so many clips that have gone down here. There's stairs that have ledges on them. There's actual stair sets that you can drop down. And around the other side, there's more sets, other ledges. Yeah, it's definitely a hot spot here in Vancouver. You still see recent footage. Spencer Hamilton just posted a clip recently of him doing a switch flip down the set. He does like 3 flip and then he does the ledge afterwards as well. So yeah, definitely a hot spot. So I'm gonna try and get some clips here. I'm just gonna eat first and then try and get some clips for you guys so that we have a little bit of a video. Because yeah, Stanley Park footage was a little unsuccessful, but that's okay. It was still a lovely bike ride. But yeah, stick around and we'll get some footage here at the Art Gal. Flat, and then 5-0 on the small edge, and then maybe just 50-50 180 out on the big ledge. Okay. I'm still feeling out that big ledge. It kind of scares me.
such a long line.
That felt so good.
Everything just happened.
Yeah. Switch nose, yeah.
All right. Back to back? You got one going this way?
So sorry. The dangers of the street. That was bad.
Uh-oh.
Did you catch that?
Oh, they're not excited. I had a worse incident. I was at, so Adriano just ankle bit this lady's ankle. So a funny fact, 10 years ago, Niagara Falls, take the cake, I was seeing this Zoo York booth flat bar they had. They even had like stencils you could spray paint. And my board shot out directly at this girl's ankle, like full force, just boom, into the ankle. And she literally like limped, her whole leg went up.
Damn.
But that's what happens when you go to a skateboard contest. Shit just happens. Predictable.
Well, that's what happens when you're just walking down the sidewalk, minding your own business, and then I come along and smoke you in the leg. I think she's okay. I don't think I hit her that hard,
No,
but
like you didn't really hit her.
she'll be alright. Good. So that was my buddy Liam that I ran into, and he actually has a YouTube channel too, so you can go check that out if you like. I'll put the card right up there. It was a fun session here downtown at the art gallery. My body is dead, but that was a fun session, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna head up to Quills, meet up with a buddy there, maybe get a light session, but I probably won't film. I just wanna say thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.